Hello everyone! So today I decided I'm looking to revitalize my practice, and I think the best way to do that would be to set up an altar. That would be like the perfect constant reminder. And while I don't feel like I have a lot of space, I saw a video recently. I'll leave a link in the description box. I don't currently know what it is off the top of my head, but I'm sure I will find it again. And she had set up a really small altar, and I thought, I can actually do that. I have space for that, so I'm gonna go make a very small altar, but it's gonna be a very defined space. Step number one is to find everything that I think is around here that could make a pretty excellent altar. These are all of my findings from going outside. I am so excited, especially about this. Like, oh my gosh. This is so much. Just a reminder to everyone, make sure that you wash the things that you find outside. Clearly, you don't really need to wash leaves and flowers, things that you could see that there's nothing on. But there's every possibility that something could be hidden in a crevice or within, like, basically crevices, because you can't see them that well. So washing it, or camouflage things for all you know. So washing it basically ensures that you're not bringing anything inside that is unsafe, and anything that was unsafe has now gone down your drain and through the garbage disposal. I just cut this piece of cardboard off of this box that we don't really need, so I'm going to use this as the base of the altar. I know I said really small, I meant really small. And I'm going to paint it. I've decided that since I don't really want to be changing out cardboard seasonally, I need to pick something that isn't gonna be out of season ever. So I'm gonna paint the cosmos on this. And I completed the cosmos on this cardboard. Doesn't it look so cool? I decided to use a metallic acrylic paint set. So I basically used the metallic crimson red, the metallic blue, and the metallic purple on top of this black acrylic paint from Apple Barrel. And then after I did all of that stuff, I used the pearl color out of the metallic paint set. I love acrylic paints because they dry really fast, and this should actually almost be done drying already. I am so pleased with how this turned out. It looks so cool. I love galaxy themes. The next step in the process is to combine this with this and some black yarn to make a nature goddess. Using my hot glue gun, of course. Honestly, I was hoping she'd turn out a little bit quite a bit different than she turned out, but we made her. Nature spirit. Cute. So now I have a cute doll, and she can sit in the center of the altar. My artwork is good enough. I'm saying that to reassure myself. Since these are made, I suppose it is time to clear a spot on the shelf. Here is the completed altar space. It's just the center portion of this. Put my incense holder in front of the painting, and I put all of the nature-y type stuff on it, and I put my doll in the very back there. My nature figure is probably what I'm most comfortable calling her. So I think for a first attempt at making one that it's pretty okay. I'll probably try making more in the future, but this is my first one, so it'll be okay. So I've lit incense, and I've got a beautiful magical little space. And if any of you are wondering what I'm doing with this beauty, I'm just gonna show you a size comparison here. This is not going on this, but I'm keeping it. I'm gonna have it on my desk over there, and I'm probably gonna use it as a wand if I ever come across the need. Because, whoa, that is a beautiful stick. From way over here, she looks a lot better. I can appreciate this a lot better. Mother of darkness, mother of light, earth beneath the soul in flight, songs of love and love of life, guide us to our hearts. Mother of darkness, mother of light, earth beneath the soul in flight, songs of love and love of life, guide us to our hearts.